This is the volume converter calculator, which instantly converts volume measurements between different units for your engineering calculations. The calculator has two main inputs to configure. First, you'll select your starting unit from the From Unit drop-down menu. The available options are milliliters, liters, US gallons, imperial gallons, cubic inches, cubic feet, cubic meters, fluid ounces, quarts, and pints. For this demonstration, I'm using milliliters as the starting unit. Next, you'll enter your volume measurement in the volume value field, where you simply type in the numerical value you want to convert. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the volume value field, keeping milliliters selected as my From unit. After clicking Calculate Volume Conversions, the calculator processes this input and generates a comprehensive conversion table. The results show your 10 milliliters converted into all the other available volume units simultaneously. This gives you instant access to equivalent values in liters, gallons, cubic measurements, and fluid measurements, eliminating the need for manual calculations or multiple conversion steps. This tool streamlines volume conversions for any engineering project requiring unit flexibility. Find the link in the description below.